Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this get ready with me, everything is super duper affordable, from my brushes to the palettes and just everything, you know, super affordable. You can get at Walmart, Dollar Tree with the brushes and stuff. For the Technique brushes, definitely you can get them at Walmart, Target. So super affordable. You can look this flawless like an Instagram baddie for the low. Okay, let's get into the video. All right, I already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids. We're just gonna move straight to the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my Subculture Anesthesia palette, and we're going to be using mostly two colors, the Fudge and the Adorn. Getting a good amount of the Fudge color, I'm just going to move into the crease.
Just blend that all over. Same thing for the other eye.
And we are only using two colors, so next I'm just going to add a little bit more concealer and do a cut crease, opening my eyes and making sure I know where to cut. Next, I'm going to be using this flat brush that I believe I got from Burlington. This one, it's done. Like, I'm just going to be fighting with the rest because there's no more left. All right, I'm going back in with the same. And now that we've blended out the two colors, we're just going to be moving into, should I wear eyeliner? Yes. For mascara, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Great Lash. Next, we're going to move on to lashes. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using my Baby Skin Pore Erase Primer. One thing that I started doing is putting powder before my foundation. No, your foundation doesn't crease. It just helps me because I have oily skin. So And next, I'm going to be using my Melani 2-in-1 foundation. I'm just going to blend that with my foundation brush. And I'm just using my Ashley Lee concealer because my Melani concealer is too far away for me to reach. So. Using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, I'm going to do a mini bake. While I am baking, I'm going to go ahead and just do a light contour. And using my contouring brush, I'm going to use this color and this color. Using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, not the one I set with, another shade. It's a bit darker, and I'm going to use this to brush away my imperfections. LOL, no. Going back to the Subculture palette and again using the color Fudge for my under eye. Using my Ride or Die blush. A little hack that I've picked up along the way is using this eyeshadow brush that my cousin left here while I was doing her makeup. I'm going to contour my nose. And for highlight, I'm getting tired of this brush. Ooh, okay. Where's my
blush brush? And just blend that out.
for lips, I'm going to be using a lipstick that has no name.
It's a brown shade.
And this one is Forever Matte in the color Trust Me. Trust me. This one is another Forever Matte lipstick, and this shade is Aged Rose. Yeah, I think I like this one better. And for here, alright guys, this is the final look. For the people who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell so when I post new content you can get notified. This hair, it's the kinky straight hair. I tried bone straightening this hair, did not work. I tried using the wand curl to curl it, it did not work, so I ended up using 3 products to get these flawless curls. You know, down in the comments below, and I will post that video for you guys.